Hi, everyone. Welcome to ViWizard's YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you 2 proven ways to watch Netflix together online. Let's jump right in. The first method is using Teleparty. Just search for Teleparty in your Chrome browser and click the button that says Get Teleparty for free. Add it to your Chrome. And once it's installed, it'll guide you to set it up. Just follow the steps. After that, choose Netflix as your streaming service and click Continue. It'll take you to the Netflix web player. Pick the movie or show you want to share. Pin the Teleparty extension and start your Netflix party. Then, copy the link and send it to your friends. They can join, and you can even chat and send emojis in the corner chat box. The second way is streaming Netflix on Discord. To avoid buffering or black screen issues, it's better to download the Netflix videos first. For that, we recommend ViWizard Netflix Video Downloader. Here's how it works. Open the ViWizard app on your computer and log in to your Netflix account. Once you're in, go to the settings and customize things like the output format, video quality, audio, and subtitles. Set it up however you like. Next, search for the show or movie you want. Select the episodes, and adjust your download preferences. When you're ready, click Add to List and hit the red Download button. The videos will be downloaded in MP4 format. Now, it is time to play on Discord with zero buffering. You can open the video in any media player you like, and click the screen sharing icon in the bottom left corner. Easy, right? Check out the link below to get started and share Netflix in high quality with your friends. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.